go get my tea. Now you stay right here.
Every morning, while making her first cup of the day, Megan must balance the responsibility of holding her pup in one arm while using the other to prepare her tea. With only one arm free, she struggles not to get her kettle wet. The crackling sound is a gentle reminder of her unsuccessful efforts. Even to open a simple tea bag, she must hold her pup in the crook of each arm in order for her hands to meet for the briefest of moments. With her vision also obstructed, Megan struggles to place the tea bag into the cup. Holding 20 pounds of puppy for any amount of time begins to wear on them both. Each regularly repositions themselves while they wait for the water to boil. With the tea now steeping, Megan heads to the fridge for milk. Located on the lowest section of the fridge door, Megan must fall into a squat position in order to reach it. With the tea now steeped, she begins by removing the tea bag. Before scooping out the sugar, she repositions the pup again, instinctively trying to align the dog's center of mass with her own. After adding milk, again, she must assume a squatting position by the fridge in order to protect the pup and her back. At last, while carefully reaching around the curious pup, she can take her first sip of tea.